Hey everyone, Nirmit here. As you can see again, same place to start the vlog. So I am currently on my way to shoot a Lamborghini Urus. It's currently 10:30. I'm going to meet my friend Rishabh and Varun there, and joining me today on the shoot is another friend of mine. I'll introduce him on the vlog today. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you all when I get there. Hey guys, we're back in the car. Right now we're on our way to the airport. I'm with my friend Dharm.
Hi.
Yeah, camera shy person, but talks a lot in real life. So yeah, we're on our way right now. It's a little strict right now in Mumbai. So I think this shoot will be a short one, and this vlog, I don't think I'll be able to show any BTS because I don't have anyone to shoot the BTS for me. So yeah, I'll try to show as much of the car and the shoot as possible. Yeah, stay tuned. So guys, this is it. This is the Lamborghini Urus. It's my friend Rishabh's car. So guys, I'm about to start the car. वरुण, आपकी GLC दिखाइए ब्लॉग पे यार, ऐसा मत करो. We have Mr. Harsh Khanna. Sir, which car do you own?
I don't know any car. हाथ गाड़ी हूँ मेरे पास. चल.
Well, Varun was a fantastic driver today. Thank you, Varun.
Thank you.
How's your GLC doing?
Very good. I'm loving it.
Also, big thanks to Rishabh for allowing me to drive and shoot the car. So, chalo. So guys, what an incredible shoot that was. For the first time, even this guy liked it. So yeah, huge thanks to Rishabh for letting me shoot his car. It was a great time. It was a very short shoot, but I think we managed to get some good pictures today. So yeah, I'll be attaching some pictures very soon once I go home and edit them. So, guys, I'm back home right now. Just got done with the Urush shoot. It's midnight, and it was a fun shoot. Thanks to Rishabh for arranging the shoot. Of course, thanks to my friend Dharm for coming along. Also, thanks to Harsh and Varun for coming for the shoot. An impromptu kind of a shoot. It was planned last minute, and we just decided to go to just one location and click a few pictures. Since he just recently bought the car and he wanted some pictures, and I was also in the mood to click some photos. Since we haven't really been able to step out for shoots in the light of recent events. But yeah, this was a fun shoot. Now I hope to include my tutorial on how I edit these pictures. So let's jump into Lightroom and we'll take it from there. So here we go. Let's jump into Lightroom. So I got around 20 shots or 19 shots, I guess. We were there for around 45 minutes, I think, max, because we didn't have much time, and I got as many photos as I could over there. I recently discovered that location with a few of my friends on another shoot, so thanks to them. This is a great parking lot to shoot. I mean, this parking lot has been completely empty. So I started off by taking some landscape shots. Now I wasn't sure of the composition that I'd be using. So if you can see in this image, this was the first image that I took, and as you can see, it's just awful. The car just looks ugly in that. So then I just tried like a side shot, which kind of worked out, but again, it's not my favorite shot, so I didn't bother to edit it. But then the landscape shot that I took for this was like, it came out pretty well. So you can see the difference for yourself. That's the landscape shot. Now, yeah, of course, I have my friend Dharm in the background, so I have to Photoshop him out. But other than that, if you see the difference here, there's quite a big difference between my edit and the raw file. So I edited all these images using my preset, which I recently made. It's called Cold Basement, which I specifically made for these kind of parking lot shots, and I actually happened to make that preset for the shoot that I did here. So it's the same location, so the presets worked out very well. I just had to do a little bit of fine tuning. As you can see in some other pictures as well, this was one of my favorite shots from the night. This came out very well. I really like this photo, and so this was the raw file, and that's what it looks like after I put my preset on, and I did some fine tuning. I pulled a graduated filter out from the top and from the bottom to make to highlight the car as much as I could, so the top and the bottom were dark. Now with the other pictures, I ended up doing the same thing, but in these photos, if you see, in this photo, I had my friend Dharm, use a light, like an external light, which gave this photo sort of a light painting effect, if I can say. It only highlights the car, and then the rest of it is all dark. So yeah, that went pretty well as well. Then we did the same thing for these photos, where the light is on the rim, and with this, where the light is on the back of the car. And yeah, then we went out to take some rolling shots as well. On the way back, we took some rolling shots. This was a rolling shot. Yeah, I only managed to get a few because the area was not well lit, and because we were in a rush, so I just kind of rushed the photos. I didn't really take different angles, but this is what you can see after the edit. I think I used a different preset for this. I'm not sure, but I guess I used my preset fade, which I really like and I've been using for the longest time. And other than that, this was a shot that I really liked, where the brake light
reflects off the ground. Now I had planned to take I think around a liter of water so I could just put it on the ground and get a reflection shot, but we were short of time, and so I thought I'll just keep it for a next shoot. If I do a shoot here again, I would definitely try that shot, because reflection shots are amazing on smooth surfaces. Then here are some interior shots of the seat. This is a very well-spec car. I would say, Rishabh, you got a gem. And so this is a caliper shot. I again had Dharm throw a light on it, but I guess the light didn't fall correctly. So so the Lamborghini font has gone into the shadows. So I think I'll have to be careful of that next time. But other than that, this was a great shoot, I guess. So yeah, with that being said, I will share how I made that preset, and I'll show you all everything that goes behind making that preset. So yeah, stay tuned for that video as well. And yeah, I have a few more vlogs coming up, which I am yet to edit. Those were shot pre-lockdown, so it took a lot. It just took a while to edit them since I was not able to meet my friends to edit and to plan out more shoots. I guess I can consistently put out more vlogs. So yeah, I hope you all liked this video. This was a short and sweet shoot. I really liked it, and I hope you all liked the vlog. So like and share, and I'll see you all in the next one.